How to apply Snapchat filters to gallery pictures. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Snapchat application. Then tap on this image icon. Now, go to camera roll and then select a picture in which you want to add Snapchat filters. Let me find a picture first. So this is the picture. Then all you have to do is tap over here and you'll find several lenses. Wait for it to load. Now tap on the frame that you want. Wait for it to load and it will be applied to your gallery picture like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.